Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Mathematical Economics. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss the concept of Venn diagrams. You can find more videos on mathematical economics, econometrics, microeconomics, SPSS, RStudio on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the introduction. So English mathematician John Venn started to represent sets through diagrams. And therefore these diagrams are known as Venn diagrams. So in the concept of Venn diagram, we need to understand the idea of universal set. So what is universal set? A set that contains all the elements of other sets, and it is denoted by capital U, and it is represented by rectangle. So this is our universal set, and other sets are represented by circles. Other sets are represented by circles within universal set. So suppose this is set A, this is set B, this is set C. This is how we represent the universal set and other sets. Now let's understand set operations through diagrams. Now we are going to understand set operations through Venn diagrams. Now suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4, and B is equal to 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have these two sets. So how do we draw the Venn diagram? For first set operation is suppose A union B. Now what is A union B? A union B is equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's draw the Venn diagram. This is universal set U, set A, set B. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So A union B is this entire shaded area. This is A union B. Now suppose we want to draw the diagram for A intersection B. This is A union B. Now suppose we want to draw the diagram for A intersection B. So what is A intersection B? X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Right? So let's understand this. This is A union B. Now let's draw for A intersection B. This is universal set U, set A, set B. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now what is A intersection B? This is that is X such that X belongs to A and B both. So the answer is 3 and 4. Right? So now you can see the shaded area in case of A intersection B. This is A intersection B. You can see the difference between A union B and A intersection B. So Venn diagrams help us to visualize the set operations. Another set operation that we need to understand is complement of set A, that is A dash or AC. This is known as complement of set A. Now how do we define this? All the elements which are not in set A. So let's draw the Venn diagram for complement set. This is universal set. Suppose this is set A, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what is complement set? All the elements which are not there in set A. So this shaded area is A dash. This is A dash or AC. And last set operation that we need to understand is difference between two sets. Difference between two sets. It is denoted by A minus B. Now how do we define A minus B? A minus B is equal to X such that X belongs to A but it does not belongs to B. So in words we can write elements of set A, elements of set A which are not in set B. So let's try to draw the Venn diagram for A minus B. This is set A, this is set B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is A minus B? X belongs to A, but X does not belong to B. Sorry, this is does not belong to B. So answer is 1 and 2. So this shaded area is A minus B. That is A minus B. So this is the idea of Venn diagrams. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.